YouTube channel Being Preeta. So on today's video I'm going to recreate this look. This is basically Deepika Padukone's inspired makeup look from the movie Piku. अगर आप मुझे फेसबुक पे फॉलो करते हो तो आपको पता होगा कि मैंने रिसेंटली इस दीपिका पादुकोण इंस्पायर्ड फोटोज का एक पोस्ट किया था. तो आई एम जस्ट बेसिकली रिक्रिएटिंग माई दैट लुक ऑन दिस वीडियो. सो इफ यू लव दिस लुक देन कीप ऑन वॉचिंग.
So I'm cleaning my face now. Before starting your makeup, don't forget to clean your face first. It just give your face a fresh feel before doing any makeup on it. Now I'm going to use the Pond's BB cream, as it is a all-in-one BB plus cream and it also has SPF 30 PA++, so you don't need to apply any primer or moisturizer under it. Now I'm just making dots all over my face using this BB cream. Then I'm taking this makeup beauty blender. This is from Blue Heaven. You can use whatever blender you have, or you just can use brush or just blend it out with your fingers. I'm blending this BB cream in dabbing motion so that it can blend evenly to my face. Don't forget to dab your blender onto your foundation or BB cream rather than just rub it on your face. Now I am again taking the BB cream beside using concealer and applying it onto the under eye area just to make those areas a bit highlighted. Now to set this BB cream, I am using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I am also using this floppy powder brush. So I'm taking this banana powder and applying it all over my face. To start the eye look, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. You can take whatever you have. I'm also taking a fluffy blending brush. First, I'm taking this light brown transition shade and then blending it evenly onto the eyelid. Now again using the same brush, I am taking this another beautiful brown shade and again I am putting it onto the eyelid. And then I'm just blending it perfectly. Okay, so for the upper eyelid, I'm taking this Elite liquid liner. You can use kajal. It's just a bit handy for me, and I prefer using eyeliner than to kajal onto the upper lid. So guys, I'm just having a bit problem to apply the liner by seeing it on the phone screen. So I just stopped recording it and applied the liner behind the camera. So yeah, I applied a small winged eyeliner because it just make your eyes a bit bigger in looking. Okay, so now I am taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal and applying it onto the waterline of my eyes. This kajal is so good, it gives you a dark black intensified look. Now I'm taking this smudging brush and using this dark brown shade from the same eyeshadow palette just to give a smudged look. Okay, so I was not happy with this, so I'm going to apply a little more kajal just to give my eyes a bit boldness. So I'm again smudging it by that same eyeshadow and the same smudging brush. Okay, now I'm using this Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline just to give a little bit volume to the eyelashes. So yeah, that's how it came out. I think it's looking good. Now I'm wearing a bindi because this bold kajal look is just incomplete without wearing a black bindi. It just gives you the perfect Bengali look with which I'm just obsessed, you know. हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसे ही चलता है. Okay, jokes apart, now to justify this bold eye look, I'm going to use this nude lipstick from Maybelline. It is in the shade 660 Touch of Spice from the Creamy Matte range, and this lipstick is just a beautiful nude lipstick. It's just so soft and it glides on your lip like butter. So yeah, this one is my final makeup look.
So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like my video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and comment down below about your thoughts and suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. And yeah, till then, keep loving, keep watching, keep sharing, and spread happiness as much as you can. Stay at home, don't be panic, stay healthy, stay happy, and yeah, till then,